Hello, my friend. How are you? I hope you and your family are doing really well and your loved ones. So, today I want to play with makeup items that I already own. So, basically, a full face of nothing new. And I went through some of my Colourpop palettes. I used the Zoeva face palette, a Stila blush, and a Too Faced lip product. And this would be the finished result. So I hope that's interesting for you to watch. And without that said, I'll start it right now. So I am going to be taking this shade right here, and it's like a light pinkish shade, so hopefully that shows up for a crease shade. Okay, so now I am going to be taking this shade right here. It's just like a basic matte white shade. And I'll put that all over my brow bone. So I'm done with this palette. It's just full of like matte shades that I customized with other Colourpop palettes. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking the Let's Roll palette. I bought this quite a while ago and I've never used it. So I think these colors are really bold. So I am going to be taking the shade called Gone Retro right here, and I'll take my finger and I'll put that all over the lid. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking a shade called Venice Beach. Here, it's like an orange shade. I don't know if I should go with it because it's gonna turn into like a really bold look, but I'm very curious, so just tap it. Okay, so now for inner corner, I'm going to be taking this palette and I'll be taking this shade right here. Okay, so now I am going to be taking this blush from Stila, and this is the Blooming Soul. Okay, so highlighter, I'm taking the Zoeva Sweet Glamour Face Palette. And I'll be taking the highlighter shade called Interpretation of Dreams. So I already put on this lip product from Too Faced. It's the Hangover Pillow Balm and Mango Kiss. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed me using products I already have, almost like shopping my stash. So this is the finished look. I really love the Zoeva face palette. She has so many versions of this. I'm thinking of purchasing, but not right now. Colourpop palettes, their matte formula is very very loose, so like when you use them, yeah, Colourpop palettes, I could say their matte formula is like a loose form, almost that you're bound to have fallout using them, but that's okay. I do love the end result of the look. It makes me a little bit curious to purchase the palettes they released last year. I'm just a little curious, but I'm not going to purchase anything right now because I am trying to have a good self-control of not buying eyeshadow palettes, and I want to force myself to use what I have. Yeah, so I want to use what I already have. I really want to emphasize in my channel that I really want to just not give in into buying new makeup all the time, and that's something I'm proud of that I don't do. Not even behind the camera. I really just stick to buying something that's not really known in the beauty community. So I could say it's like Zoeva palettes. Those are really cheap online if you really look into it. So pretty much I love secondhand stuff if it's in great condition or never been used. I just love that kind of shopping mentality. So anyway, I thank you so much for watching. May God bless always. I hope to see you in my next video. For now, you take good care, especially the weather conditions you have at your home. Right now for us in California, it's not raining anymore and the sunlight is out, so that's always a good thing. Like, I love the sun. So I'll end this video now before I keep on rambling. Yeah, so you be safe, and I'll say bye for now.